OnTheAir video traffic option is going to be great for master control because now we can take wide orbit logs, the industry standard in trafficking systems, and we can take that and make it into a playlist. Now from that wide orbit, we generate the playlist from our media browser. Media browser holds all the content and the info. You can make the in and out points, change the volume, and the metadata is all stored within that media browser. So let's say if a clip is wrong, it's too long or dips to black, you can edit the clip and every instance of that clip is fixed. That media browser can then share that data to multiple instances of OnTheAir video, so multiple television schedules share the same content. Using validation report, we can compare the wide orbit log to the playlist's content. You can find overage or underage of content, missing clips, and that clip that was not edited to length, we would mark that as running longer than expected. But you can also filter that warning and the info levels result by the program type. Remote control makes the operation even more efficient. Master control operators can remotely control their playlist, but not just one channel, multiple channels at multiple stations. They can monitor these playlists and make changes across them all with remote gain control. Now you can assign a master control operator to control a single network affiliate. Or maybe a master control operator is unavailable. The channel control can be sent to other locations for monitoring dynamically. And this feature has security in mind with a new Authorized Users tool, where you can set credentials and security levels. The changes remotely are logged for who did what and when. There's a lot more, like our new Purge List tool. It accepts DAT files and can process simple text files. But this tool checks the media browser and the schedule to see if that file is meant to be played soon, giving you a new layer of security. And Virtual Sources, our live input tool. That allows you to set the source and any routing you need set. And of course, all the things that make OnTheAir video great are there too. SCSI support, closed captioning, mix and match codec, audible countdown announce, output preview, transitions, smart engine resize, secondary audio output, dynamic graphics overlay, and much, much more are all there. Now we've talked about the OnTheAir video traffic features, but now let's talk about why it makes sense. The OnTheAir video interface has been carefully crafted. With all of our applications, we always spend that time on designing it to make sure it's easy to understand. And that helps because we have quicker training times and faster adaptation rates at all levels of experience. That is now more important than ever. And let's talk about hardware. You see other master control solutions use proprietary equipment with very large price tags. We are using non-proprietary equipment. We're using Macs off the shelf with our software. And that could be any Mac, from Intel to the new Apple Silicon, Mac Minis, MacBooks, and of course, the new Mac Studio. And so our solution, where we have the licensed dongle, you can walk that over to any Mac you have. And we think that's why it's the right solution for your master control.